No more errors. Hello, welcome back to another programming session working on our Ruby implementation called Natalie. I'm back in the car again. Kids are in swimming. Thought I'd get a quick session in and see what we can do. My project lately has been to try to get racc to compile, which is it's essentially Ruby's YAC or a parser generator in Ruby, and I'm trying to get it to compile with Natalie because what I want to do is use I want to build, oh god, how do I say this? Right now we're parsing Ruby with Ruby, and I want to be able to do that inside of our runtime, inside of we want to be able to parse Ruby inside of Natalie, and so I can't even say it right. So if I can get this to compile, then I'm one step closer. And every time I run this, I get a new error, and I just go and fix that error. And what I worked on this weekend, last weekend, I guess Friday when I posted the video, I worked on struct because I needed struct for this to compile. So looks like right now we need Regexp.compile, and that's here in line 189. Regexp.compile takes a string and returns a regex. So if I do Regexp.compile ti dot m plus or something like that, I get the regular expression back. And I don't know, probably won't be too hard, but let's just give it a shot. Regex test. Don't I have? Oh, I'm in the wrong directory. Test Natalie regex test, and we'll just do describe compile. It creates a regex from a string. So r equals regex compile. We'll just copy the one I got above here. Well, yeah, why not? Let's do something like that. And then r should equal, oh, I did this wrong. Let's do this. So those should be equal, and we can test that. And Natalie test, Natalie regex test. And it works in Ruby, but not in Natalie. Okay, so undefined method compile. What does that look like if I do this foo? What that actually turns into is this right here. Oh, this is going to be super simple because loud cars. This is going to be a string as well, right? Yeah, new string value foo. Okay, cool. Well, this might be a short video. That's okay. Let's see. Where... I guess I just need regex value HPP, and we'll just make a we'll just be kind of like a constructor, but not exactly. So value compile env, and it's going to take a value which is the actually let's just make sure regex compile foo, is that where the flags go? Yes. And what if I put another thing? What if I put something here? Encoding option is ignored. Encoding option is ignored. Well, I'm just going to pretend like that's not a thing. Don't know what that does. Don't care right now. So pattern, value, flags. Actually, I want this regex value CPP. Put that here. And then over here, I don't actually want the names. Okay, so maybe it won't be too hard. That just made me realize I think maybe we have a bug. Let's just get out of this. So what if I do this? What does that compile into? Oh, it doesn't compile. Ooh. Yeah, I'm not actually using the flags. Okay, well, we can fix that too. Cool. Okay, so I think we want to make sure both of these are strings. Pattern flags, if flags. Make sure it's a string, make sure that's a string. And we're going to say return. Yeah, let's just do return for now. Yeah. Regexp. Pattern. And we'll ignore the flags and return Regexp. And why reg what spell some things right. New regex value. No matching constructor. What do you mean no matching constructor? Oh. As string to cster. Maybe? And then it's going to say this potential leak of memory pointed to by field m pattern. Yeah, I've been getting this, and I don't know why it thinks that. Because it actually duplicates. Let me just make sure. Pattern, initialize. I should be duplicating that. Maybe. Oh, fascinating. Maybe it's not. Does that get rid of the warning? Come on. No, it doesn't. Okay, well, I'll have to look at that later. I don't know why. I have a feeling that that is going to be a problem, but I'm not sure why. Why we aren't duping that. Maybe this onig new dupes it inside. Could be wrong. Could be wrong. Usually am. Okay, so in binding gen, we need a new one. Compile. Oh, it's going to be a singleton, right? It's going to be singleton binding? Isn't that how we do this? Why am I not seeing very many of those? Undefined, yeah, undefined. Wait, okay, I've actually forgotten how this works. Oh, okay, nope. Yeah, definitely a singleton. binding. Single binding. We'll put this up here, and we'll say this is compile. Oh, yeah, static binding. This is gonna be a static method. Ugh. I think that means this needs to go over here. Fire truck. Why aren't you happy with that? String value. What? What now? What is it? Error found in header. Okay. Cool. I'll have to look at that. Regex, new regex value, pattern is string. Is that actually... Just curious, what does the static binding for square new look like? Just make sure I'm doing this right. Yeah. Okay. I'm sure I missed something, but let's just see how much is broken. Let's just see how much is broken. I don't know if I meant to compile for it. Oh, it helps if you actually compile the stuff. Okay. Meshing function call for regex value compile env value. Oh, right. Has two, let's see, 1 or 2 arguments. Pass the environment, yes, no blocks, and returns that. Make ooh, nice. Okay, well that was easy. Let's go fix, we know that the flags aren't working. What would be a good way to test this? Can be created with syntax. R equals foo case insensitive. Let's do that also. Let's use our watcher observer test observer. Okay. So now it should run automatically. Cool. I need to find a way to prove that spec should equal foo I. That should fail. Yeah, there we go. Okay. We know that this looks very wrong. What does the AST look like? Lit foo. Oh, right. Need the little I on there. Oh, it's just a literal thing. It's a literal regular expression. So I think that means in pass 1 we are handling regex right here. Aha, that's what we're doing. What is something I can do? I could say foo. Oops. So R is this, R2S? Oh no. R source? Aha. So if I do foo and a dot and a plus and some parens and I do R source, it looks exactly like that. Perfect. And then I do R flags. Nope. R dot, let's put this at the top. R methods. This is a cool trick in Ruby. You can get all the methods, except, all the methods specific to that type. I guess it's options. R dot options. No. Oh, because I didn't have any options. Oh, it's their numbers. Blah. Well, that's lame. Source names match fixed case. Gonna have to let's see, Ruby doc regex. See, it says something about the options. Oh, there they are. Look at that. So I just need to copy those. There's a rabbit hole. There's a rabbit hole. It's like now I gotta implement the options method, and okay, well, probably not gonna do all that tonight. But we can do, we can change this to say source. That'll at least be more correct. Okay, so that's closer. And then we can also pass in lit options. What happens? What are you? Candidate expects one argument, 3 provided. Well, that part works. Now I just need to actually do something with them. So this is going to be pattern, int options, initialize. Cool. Let's move this over here. How do we onig new? Onigmo GitHub. Does it use the same option numbers? Enigmo H. Pattern end, option, and blah, 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 blah. Well, how do you set? Oh, so wait, let me see. Case in, nope. Insensitive? Nope. Sensitive? Nope. Case. Case fold flags. Title case. Has needs. I don't actually know how to pass in flags to Enigmo. Oh, so there's some example. Let's see, sample. Don't see anything. Oh, how do you go back in this browser? There we go. Symbol. Wonder if anyone else has talked about it. Enigmo case insensitive. Yeah, that's not gonna be it. It must be this option default. Oh, ignore case. There it is. So none. Okay, ignore case is 1. I lost my thing. Foo options. That's ignore case. X, I forgot what that's like. Ignore multiline or something. Multiline. So X is extended. Yeah, 1, 2, and 4. So I guess this would be shifted over. That would be a 2. And this would be shifted over 1 more. That'd be a 4. Yeah, that makes sense. So the only ones we care about are these 3. And so we just OR these together. Oh, no. Just pass them in because it's literally the same numbers. Sometimes I like to complicate things. So this is going to be a default of a 0. And we're going to say options, I think. Maybe? Well, you know it's worth a shot. Why did my test not run? Regex test. Okay, didn't like that. But I made it have a default. Why you no like? Doesn't like this one either. Oh, compile flags, env options equals 0 here. Does that fix that? Okay, I give up on you. Why? Why? I don't know why my auto running thingy is not working. Good news is compiling. Foo to be equal to foo I. Okay, so now we're just not inspecting it properly, I believe. Might have to store those options. Yeah, you know what? I'm just going to do that. I'm just going to add a new thing. Just say int options. I'm going to say 0 for that. Cool. So now I can say int options return m options. Cool. That still doesn't get us. I'm just going to run that. Still doesn't get us inspected properly, but we're one step closer. So over here on inspect, it's here. Could say if options not equal to 0, then append the I. What? Wait. Why don't you like this? Has lower precedence than not equal. Wait, what? Ugh, so dumb. Okay, if it's 2, then it's the, what was it? Did I lose that? Two is 4 is multiline. 2 is extended with the X. Yeah. And then 4 is multiline. Yeah, let's just see what happens. See if that fixes our inspecting. Yeah. Just making sure. Yep. And let's make some more tests to make sure. Make sure that's all working. Create with syntax. Oh, it should be mix, M-I-X. So they have to go in that order. Don't know why, maybe because it just looks cooler. Okay, sweet. Well, that's fun times. What else can we do? Should we do anything else? Did we do what we set out to do? Regexp.compile works. Oh, does it work though? So if I do this, yeah, this doesn't work. So I didn't pass in the options. Wait, what? Baloney. I don't believe you. There's no way that's passing. Oh, because I did 2S. I should do inspect. Oh. Okay, well we have another problem. Our equality operator is regex, and the pattern matches, and m options is equal to other m options. Wait, what? Oh, I had to do a const cast? Ugh. Okay, so let's say other regex x value other regex equals this. Okay, so that should make this fail, because now we're testing equality of options as well. Okay. Okay, perfect. So it's now, that's better. And then in Regexp.compile, where's our compile? Here. We need to turn the flags into options. What happens if you do foo b blah 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 blah, unknown regex options? Okay, so it's a syntax error. That's good to know. We might work on that. Say int options equals 0 for I think this is gonna work. Option. Actually, let's just do it this way. I think this is a little bit easier to read. It's probably not as efficient, but it's easier to read. Oh, is it complaining because it's a size T? Nope. No matching functions. Sterling. What? What? Why? Why? Options. Oh, flags. That's why. Flags as string C stir. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay. Let me say flags stir. If flags stir I equals I, then options or equals 1. I'll just put this all in one line. X is 2, and this is 4, and this is multiline. Does that work? What are you complaining about here? Can I cost? Oh, that's fine. Cost is good. It's good. Int and size T. Size T is fine. And then pass in the options. Oh, that's fine. Cuckoo. Well, that passed all our tests, and while we're here, we might as well raise an error. Just make sure it does raise an error. Regexp.compile foo bad. Whoa! It does not raise an error. This is XYX. What? No, I don't believe you. So these aren't flags? What is that? Just case I should have just looked at the documentation. Let's see. Why? What? Oh, there we go. Ruby doc regex compile. This is what happens when you don't actually go look at the documentation. You just assume you know what you're doing. String, escape, compile, args, alias for new. Alias for new options. True. Whoa. Oh, you can pass in the flags like that? Oh, okay. I'm not doing all that tonight. Screw it. I'm just not doing it. So do we even have a regex new binding gen? We don't have a dedicated new. Oh, we have initialize. That's the initialize returns a value. Okay, so it's not this initialize up here. It's this one down here. And it only accepts one argument. Well, well, well. All that work. Well, I guess I could call it good. I did learn some stuff, and I did fix a couple of other bugs, but all of this crap has to go away. Let's say options. So this is going to be the new initialize, yeah? No, because it's got to be new. Mother. Nope. If it's a regex, then do this. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. So let's just ignore the options for now and take that away. These flags. Okay, that's gonna make this test fail. And I'm just gonna say true here. There we go. And then we're gonna make a failing test that we ignore with options. And we're gonna do it just like this. I'm gonna say extended and ignore case. Which should look like that. That one should fail. Yep. True class into string. Yep. Okay, so we can fix the first one. We don't actually care about what it is right now. Just want to make sure this, yeah, it's optional. Okay, perfect. Okay, so that'll fix one test. Oh, no, it doesn't actually fix it. I have to actually do it. Flags. If flags is truthy, then options equals 1. Does that fix it? Okay, so that fixes that one, and then we just need these constants. Main CPP. I'm going to say regexp const set. What are the constants again? Nor case extended and multiline, and I believe they were in that order. Is that right? Okay, nor case is 1, extended is 2, and multiline is 4. Okay. So let's just put these here. Nor case is a new integer value, env1, and then extended is a 2, and multiline is a 4. That should fix that issue. Line 138. Yeah. So now I need to say if it's a number, then just pass it in. Say if flags is integer, then options equals flags as integer to int no? I thought that's what it was. Maybe I just don't remember how that works. Come on. Cooperate. Okay, integer value should be, I thought that's how we did it. 2 int 64 underscore t, right, underscore t. As integer. Flags is integer as integer. Why? Oh, do I need integer value here? Does that fix that? Cool. Yay! Make test. Okay, I'm gonna run the test suite and call it a night. Not terribly thrilling work, but progress nonetheless. Bingo! Test suite has passed, and that's working. Cool. And let's go see over here in our racc project, which is where we started. RB. Let's just see if we get past the compile command that was missing, compile method that was missing. What? No more errors. Ooh, that was the last error compiling racc. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, I'm going to save that for the next video, though. Digging into this, see if I can get it to actually run. The fact that it compiled with that error is huge. Obviously, I have some to-dos here. I don't have private methods, but maybe I don't care right now. That might be fine. All methods are public. Oh, I'm so excited. This is huge. Been working on this for a couple months now. It's been driving a lot of the code I've been adding to Natalie, is to be able to compile this fairly large chunk of Ruby. Whew! Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your encouragement. Always. Thanks for people who've contributed. Thanks for people who've commented and cheered me on. And we're going to make this into a Ruby. Thanks for hanging out. Bye.